Hey everyone. Welcome back to Nutrient Fusion. If you're on a journey to lose that stubborn belly fat, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about 10 foods you should avoid to speed up your progress. Trust me, eliminating these can make a big difference. Let's dive right in. First up, sugary drinks. Drinks like soda, energy drinks, and sweetened teas are full of empty calories and sugar. They spike your insulin levels, leading to fat storage, especially around the belly. Swap these out for water, herbal tea, or black coffee. Number 2 is processed foods. Think chips, packaged snacks, and frozen meals. These are often loaded with unhealthy fats, sodium, and artificial ingredients that can sabotage your goals. Stick to whole, natural foods instead. Next is refined carbs, like white bread, pasta, and pastries. These foods are stripped of their nutrients and can cause rapid blood sugar spikes, leading to fat gain. Opt for whole grains like brown rice or quinoa instead. Number 4. Alcohol, especially beer. Drinking too much alcohol adds extra calories and can slow down your metabolism, leading to that infamous beer belly. If you drink, keep it in moderation. Number 5 is fried foods. They're high in trans fats and calories, making them a belly fat magnet. Baked or air-fried alternatives are a better choice. Number 6. Sugary treats like candy, cookies, and cupcakes. They're delicious but packed with sugar and empty calories. Instead, satisfy your sweet tooth with fresh fruit or dark chocolate in moderation. Number 7 is processed meats like bacon, sausage, and deli meats. These are high in saturated fat and sodium, both of which can contribute to belly fat. Lean proteins like chicken, turkey, or tofu are much better options. Number 8. Those fancy coffee drinks. Lattes, frappuccinos, and other sugar-laden beverages can pack hundreds of calories. Switch to black coffee or add a splash of almond milk for flavor. Number 9. High-sodium foods like canned soups, fast food, and salty snacks. These cause water retention and bloating, which can make your belly appear larger. Cook fresh meals at home to control your salt intake. And finally, trans fats. Found in margarine, packaged baked goods, and some fast foods, trans fats are a belly fat nightmare. Always check labels and avoid anything with partially hydrogenated oils. Alright, now you know the top 10 foods to avoid for faster belly fat loss. Making these changes can help you get closer to your goals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments, what's the one food you're cutting out first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.